Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. I'm so bummed I have to refilm this video. Something happened to this video when I went to go upload it. It was corrupt. And in the video I had filmed some birthday challenge entries, one from Happymail Stamper and one from my friend Trice from Trice's Crafty Life. Thank you ladies so much for entering. I'm so sorry that I have to film this again. I don't know what happened. I just filmed it like I normally do, and for some reason it was corrupt. So I'm gonna do it in the order that I did it last time, which was Happymail Stamper first. They both sent the most amazing things. I wish you guys could have seen me open them, but anyway, I mean, I don't know what happened. Sorry about that. Okay, so first we have Happymail Stamper, and like I always say in every video, both of their information will be below. So just know that. Okay, we have the most adorable ATC card. It is so cute. It has little snow in it, and it's got the most adorable little baby deer with the Christmas trees. And then look at this super cute wreath that she has here, and she even decorated her little bag. It's so cute. So there's that, and this is, like I said, this is Happymail Stamper, and that is what her handle is on Instagram and TikTok, and I think she also has a YouTube. I'm definitely going to check, and I'm going to make sure I do links to all of her social media, but her name is Joanne, and she lives in New Jersey, and her birthday, I think that's a 3. It's either 3/28 or 8/28, and she loves pastels and silver. Then she sent these beautiful Christmas flowers. These are so pretty, and she did them with little bells as the flower centers, which I have never seen before, and that is such a good idea. They're like these itty bitty baby little bells. And then she also has these foil threads to dress it up. It's so pretty. And then the silver thread is actually a holo silver. And then look how cute she did like the top of her bag, and I love how she did the wreath with the little pom-poms in the middle. That was such a good idea. Those are so pretty. Then she also sent these adorable embellishments, and what I love about them is that she put double-sided tape on the back. That was so thoughtful, so that I could just take these and I can plop them on a card or some kind of project or what have you. They're so cute. I love how she layered everything so that it's dimensional, and she also did like little thread in there on both of them. So pretty. Then let's see, the flowers came in this bag, which I wanted to show you guys her bag topper, because here's something that I struggle with is bag toppers. Like, I see these bag toppers that are amazing and they're super like chunky and layered, and I'm like a cleaner crafter. Like, I love the chunky look, but my brain gets like overwhelmed with like trying to figure out all the layer, like how to get it that way and get all the layers and all that kind of stuff. I don't know, I just always revert back to going like very simple and very clean, and I love that she's done that here, where literally this is a piece of Christmas paper with a piece of ephemera on foam, another piece of ephemera, and some eyelash trim. Simple but super cute and pretty. I love that. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you her papers, and I'm gonna show you what's jingling over here. Her papers came wrapped in this, just like this. They have this red ribbon and this cute little Santa Claus that is like a Santa Claus mug with like hot cocoa. So cute. And here are her papers. Let's see. We have this pretty holly, and her papers are double-sided. There's another one just like it here. And then I love the Santa holding the pink present. This is so cute. And we've got the snowflakes on the back, and we have the reindeer, and I love these pink Santas. So cute. I wonder what paper collection this is. And that's what that looks like on the back. And then there's 2 more. So these are some duplicate papers. Love it. Love it. And then here's her specialty paper. So she did this beautiful bling basil, like this white pearly bling basil. I'm starting to really love basil, you guys. I like that it has a texture, and then I also like the bling because it has shimmer. And then look at this beautiful paper. Oh my gosh, it's like diamonds. I've never seen this before. I'm gonna have to get more of this. I wonder if they have it in gold. I wonder if they have it in other colors too. So pretty. And then she sent a nice flat silver foil, which was really pretty. So there's her papers. And then she sent this adorable little container, and it's filled with itty bitty bells, you guys, Christmas bells. And look how she decorated her container, so cute. So excited about those. I've never seen little tiny bells like that before, and I love that they're in Christmas colors. So that was Joanne. That was Happymail Stamper. Like I said, her information will be below. Thank you so much, Joanne. I truly appreciate it. Okay, next we're going to open Trice's entry. So this is my friend Trice. She sent this amazing box here that she's made. We're gonna take a second to look at everything on the front. I love that how she like layered this down here, and look how pretty this is. I don't know what this is, but it's almost like a red foil webbing. It's so pretty. I love that trim. She has a card. And then look at how she did her box. So cute, has all the compartments. And then she did these really pretty rolled flowers. I love how she incorporated black into it because that's kind of different for Christmas. So pretty. And then we're gonna open her card. And thank you for hosting a fun challenge giveaway. She's just saying happy birthday, that she had fun, and that her Instagram and YouTube is Trice's Crafty Life. Thank you so much, Trice. Her name is Patrice, but she goes by Trice. So there's her card, and then we're gonna open up her box. This is so cool, Trice. Oh my gosh, you put so much work into this, girl. So cute. You guys have to go to Trice's channel, and if anything, just check out the intro of one of her videos. You're gonna be hooked. Her craft room has the most amazing 3D projects in it. Like, she has this huge Ferris wheel, and oh my gosh, her craft room is so cute. She's also really, really talented too, so you definitely have to go check out Trice. Okay, here is her ATC card. It says 'tis the season. Super cute little truck, and it's thick. I think it's like foam. It's so adorable. I love it. And okay, so Trice's Crafty Life. She's from Sacramento. Here's the funny thing, like in the other video, I was like, oh my gosh, Trice is my twin, because her favorite colors are purple, pink, gold, and mint. My favorite colors are lavender, pastel pink, gold, and mint. So hey twin. Her style is clean, which is my style, so we are total twins. Her favorite themes are butterflies, summer, fall, Christmas, and Valentine's. Love it. Thank you so much, Trice. Your card is so cute. And then in here, she has a bunch of little goodies. She has some little cutouts. Super adorable. I love this pink ice skate. Have you guys seen the new ice skate die from KS Craft? Oh my gosh, I have to get it. Have a little Christmas cheer, comfort and joy. I love this little globe. To and from, made with love. Look at this pink Volkswagen Bug, you guys. How cute. And it says Holly Jolly on the license plate. Naughty or nice, do not open till Christmas, warm wishes, and merry and bright. Super cute. Then I'm gonna come over here because she created these beautiful, I'm just picking off a piece of glue, like a glue web. You know how glue webs get everywhere, you guys? Look how cute these are. These are little poinsettias that she made, and look at the little teeny tiny little gold balls inside. They're so pretty. I love how they're all layered and dimensional. Beautiful. And then she also did them in gold. So pretty. And then we have some sequin mix here, a Christmas one. So beautiful. I love these gold glitter. These are like my favorite. I get mine at Michael's, but I'm sure I could probably find them somewhere else. But so far, I haven't found them anywhere else. Probably I could find them at Allie. But I love those. Those are so pretty. And I love the holo green. Beautiful sequin mix. And then I'm going to open these up and show these to you guys because these are some Christmas charms. And look how she sent this bead mix. So these are Hishi beads. And she did them in like a Christmas theme. And I love that she also included some, I don't know if you can see them, but she included some gold and silver ones too. How fun. This is so pretty. I love the bags that she used for these too. These are really pretty. So we'll look at these Christmas charms. So we've got a beautiful Christmas bell. I love this snow globe. It's so pretty. I have one of these in mint and pink, but I've never seen it in Christmas color, so that's beautiful. A Christmas tree, an adorable little Santa Claus, a deer, or I should say a reindeer, a beautiful snowflake, and this cute little stocking with the little snow people on it. So cute. It's like little snowmans or little snow girls. They're adorable. Let me put those back in the bag really quick. And then on this side, we have another bag. And in here, there are a bunch of beads. Look how pretty. I love how she did the little candy, and I love the stripes. So pretty. And then she's also got some green and red wood. And look at these. These are like Christmas sweater beads. This one and this one. Super cute. Thank you so much. And then underneath, look at this, you guys. Look how cute this is. Underneath, we have some papers. So we're going to look at the papers. Pretty. I love incorporating pink into Christmas. It's so cute. Cozy and warm. Super adorable. I love this paper. Look at this, how cute. These hot cocos, and I love how the marshmallows are flying out. During Christmas time, my husband and I drive around the neighborhood several times during the Christmas season, and we go to other neighborhoods and we make a hot cocoa, and sometimes we'll bring cookies if we have them, and we drink hot cocoa and we drive around and look at Christmas lights. Pretty, pretty paper. I love this like minty green for Christmas. We've got this pretty blue buffalo check, blue and black. And we have this beautiful shimmery green snowflake paper. Super cute. We've got some pink poly papers. And we have a specialty paper. This, wow, this is a pretty glitter. Oh my gosh, I love this. Really beautiful. And it's like, it's smooth. That's really pretty. And then we have this flat glitter. That's how I describe this, as a flat glitter. That's pretty. Got these cute Christmas trees, and she sent several papers of each one. Thank you so much, Trice. That was so generous of you. And oh, this is so cute. I love these Christmas trees. So cute. Then we have some stripes. And there we go, guys. That was Trice's entry. Thank you ladies both so much for entering. I really appreciate it. You guys made some amazing amazing little embellishments and goodies here. So please follow Trice and Joanne. So again, I'm going to put their information below, but Trice is Trice's Crafty Life, and Joanne is Happymail Stamper, and I'm going to put all of their social medias below, their Instagrams, their YouTubes, their TikToks, whatever information they sent me, I'm going to go ahead and link it below for you. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.